Blunami BLU-2200 by SoundTraxx. This decoder is great for HO and S-scale locomotives. The Blunami 2200 has up to 2 amp stall current rating for motor control. It has 6 light outputs with over 20 different light effects that are user selectable. Plug-in harness on each end that makes it very easy to remove and reinstall. Extra harnesses are also sold separately if needed. A 2-watt amplifier for rich, crisp sound for your model. Uses speakers rated at 2 watts or more at 8 ohms of impedance. Available in all sound files: Steam, EMD, EMD2, GE, Alco, Baldwin, and Others, and electric. Compatible with the Blunami App and Android or Apple operating systems. It operates on traditional NMRA DCC for power. It can also be powered simply by applying DC voltage from a power pack or an onboard battery. The free Blunami app can be used for sound selection and all setup of the decoder, as well as a full operation, including all light outputs, sound, and multiple unit consisting. Visit SoundTraxx.com for more information.